Wydad Athletic Club forward Cassius Mailula has officially announced his departure from the Moroccan Giants, bringing an end to a fruitful loan stint with the club. The 24-year-old South African attacker joined Wydad Athletic ahead of the 2024-2025 season on loan from Toronto FC under the leadership of fellow South African coach Rulani. Mailula flourished in Morocco, linking up with compatriot Thembinkosi Lorch and making a strong impression in the Botola Pro League. Despite earlier hints that he was open to permanent stay, Mailula confirmed on Sunday that he will not be extending his time with the Casablanca-based club. He said, "Dear Wydad family, it is a heavy heart that I write this message as I want to let you all know that I will not be continuing with the team for upcoming season." He wrote his statement on his Instagram account. The former Mamelodi Sundowns forward described his experience with Wydad as incredibly special and rewarding, expressing deep appreciation for everyone at the club who contributed to his time there, and said, "From the security staff to the technical team to my teammates, your kindness and support meant the world to me. You all hold a very special place in my heart." Mailula reserved special praise for coach Roland Mokoena, crediting the former Wydad tactician for playing a pivotal role in his development during the season, and said, "Without his trust, I wouldn't be the player I am today." Concluding his farewell, the Limpopo Porn star wished the club and its supporters well for the future, and said, "I wish the club, the fans, and everyone involved nothing but continued success in the upcoming season and beyond." As Mailula prepares to return to Toronto FC, his stint in Morocco will be remembered for his professionalism, humility, and the strong bond he formed with the teammates and the fans. His next move remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: he leaves Wydad with his head held high and legacy of mutual respect. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.